Say goodbye. Hello.
Are you ready? What's happening?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. There you go, get in there.
Oh, I'm gonna get in there.
Oh my god. What is happening? Oh my god.
I think I need to take some scissors to it first, actually.
Yeah?
But I don't know. Well, fuck it, I don't give a shit. Never did anything to it. This is a dog hair clipper. This is... Oh no!
Living the dream. Living the dream.
Quarantine haircut. Quarantine.
Don't go too short.
Haircut. I'm not.
Fucking my hair up, apparently.
No. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good look. It's gonna look great.
So many
We're all
cuts.
gonna have so much fun.
Ah.
I'm sorry. These are dull scissors. You know what's funny is we have real hair cutting scissors and I'm using these dog.
Why the fuck are you using the dog cutting scissors?
I thought we were just going in.
Are these the leopard print fucking scissors?
No, these are like
the red
fucking
ones?
like children's paper
Oh, come on,
scissors.
man. Give me at least the fucking real
Well, here,
scissors.
I think I'm done with that part.
Okay. Do you? Seeing anything?
I mean, it's seeing something. 3's kind of short, bro.
It's pretty short right now. Oh my god. What kind of technique is that?
I don't know. I'm not a fucking...
What is that technique?
Not a cosmetologist. Don't play therapist with me. Let's just leave that, huh?
Let's not just leave that.
It's shorter. I did what I sought out to do. I shortened your hair.
It's getting all the good action there.
Oh yeah, it's great. I want to do like the Edward Scissorhands and start doing it really fast, but...
No. It's already a lot more freeing.
Yeah. See? No more Ryder Strong hair for you. Just one piece.
Oh, I hate it.
You don't know that you hate it. You have not seen it.
Oh, I can see what I can see.
Would you like a square or would you like it rounded? Let's go look at it in the mirror
It's
first.
not the worst. 1 o'clock in the morning. Got nothing better to do. So this is what we're doing.
You ready?
Ready?
Oh no! You want to do mine next?
Yes.
You've never done this before.
Mm-mm.
Shake some of the hair out of it, Jesus Christ. Okay, done. How you feeling?
Fine.
Light? There we go.
I'm getting in there now.
Yeah, because now I have nothing to watch out for, so I can just fucking go at it and
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, let's take the guide off and just fucking go. I don't see why not. When it's this short already, you might as well. Just fucking go for it.
Nah.
Look at you, you're a whole new man. Stranger danger. Oh my gosh. Who is this man?
So dumb.
It's a stranger in my house. Oh, so much hair on your back. Oh my god.
All good?
Yeah, I think so.
Oof.